How to let go of your past to free yourself from anxiety and worry. Letting go of your past to free yourself from anxiety and worry can be a challenging but liberating process. Here are some steps and strategies to help you release the grip of your past and focus on the present and future. Self-awareness. 1. Recognize and accept your feelings. Begin by acknowledging the emotions and thoughts tied to your past. 1. Understand that it's normal to have these feelings but that they don't define your present or future. Practice mindfulness. 1. Mindfulness meditation. Engage in mindfulness practices to help you stay in the present moment. 1. Meditation and deep breathing exercises can be powerful tools for calming your mind and reducing anxiety. Seek professional help. 1. Consider therapy. A therapist or counselor can provide you with valuable guidance and support in processing and healing from past traumas or unresolved issues. 1. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and other therapeutic approaches can help you address anxiety and worry. Reframe your perspective. 1. Challenge negative thought patterns. Identify and challenge negative beliefs or thought patterns that are rooted in your past. 1. Replace them with more positive and empowering thoughts. Forgiveness. 1. Forgive yourself. If you have made mistakes in the past, understand that everyone does. 1. Forgive yourself for any perceived wrongs and focus on personal growth and self-improvement. Letting go rituals. 1. Write it down. Journaling your thoughts and emotions about your past can be cathartic. 1. Consider writing a letter to yourself or the people involved in your past, even if you don't intend to send it. 1. This can help you express your feelings and let them go. Set boundaries. 1. Establish boundaries. If there are people or situations from your past that continue to bring negativity into your life, it may be necessary to set boundaries or distance yourself from them. Live in the present. 1. Practice gratitude. Focus on the things you are grateful for in your life right now. 1. Shifting your attention to the present and appreciating what you have can reduce anxiety and worry. Plan for the future. 1. Set goals. Create a vision for your future and set achievable goals. 1. Having a sense of purpose and direction can help you move forward and reduce anxiety about the unknown. Self-care. 1. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical and emotional well-being. 1. Exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, get enough sleep, and engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Build a support system. 1. Connect with loved ones. Share your feelings and experiences with trusted friends and family members. 1. Having a support system can provide emotional validation and encouragement. Remember that letting go of the past is a process that may take time and effort. Be patient with yourself and seek professional help if needed. By focusing on the present and working toward a positive future, you can gradually reduce anxiety and worry related to your past.